Welcome to the Advanced Manufacturing program at Sierra College at the Gene Haas Center for Advanced Manufacturing by Design. Sierra College's Advanced Manufacturing Department is partnered with Haas Automation. So we are a registered Gene Haas Center called the Gene Haas Center for Advanced Manufacturing by Design. Advanced manufacturing in its most basic form is any manufacturing equipment that's driven by computer-aided systems. And so our department takes two pathways, one for design and one for computer-aided manufacturing processes. So our first pathway in the department is mechanical computer-aided design and drafting. This area has evolved from what used to be called a draftsperson to three-dimensional modeling in a software called SolidWorks. And the output of the model that you design becomes technical drawings, technical documentation for the product lifecycle to manage everything from quality to fabrication. If you're interested in designing things, bringing your ideas to light, working in a design type environment, this is really the pathway for you. The second pathway we have that's related is computer numerical control machining. And this process also utilizes that solid model, but instead of the output or derivative being a drawing or technical documentation, the output is CNC or computer numerical control machine code generated from the model in a computer-aided manufacturing software environment. Two related areas, different disciplines. Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media